I'm Rudra Mintra. I'm coming from Kolkata. And out here, like, I know these people since last couple of years. First time I came in 2012 and I lost nearly 5 kilos in 10 days. And now again, I came in 2017. It was like 3 kgs I lost my weight because I am a little bit of obese. And for the treatment of obesity, I came in Anandkunj. And this time, 2019, I'm here again for the obesity treatment as well as some sort of like skin disease, which has lessened, you know, and my weight I have lessened by say nearly 6 kilos in 7 days. यहाँ के जो है लोग हैं बहुत अच्छे हैं जो जो भी उपचार यहाँ पे कराया जाता है सवेरे से लेकर शाम तक योगा से लेकर सत्संग संवाद मसाज फिर ट्रीटमेंट है फिर अपना प्राणायाम है relaxation technique hai. These are really awesome, and I think the people who come here will really get the benefits from the environment out here as well as the people around here. They're excellent. Thank you so much.